I went into the room not knowing what to expect, thinking that I have to return back to the room every day and having to research what exactly the topics were, because obviously it's hosted at NUS and we were taught by university professors. So I thought that it would be quite advanced and I wouldn't be able to understand. However, it was much more different, and I really enjoyed how the university professors, they managed to engage with us, and it was amazing.
Throughout the discussions and the sharings by the faculty, the very experienced professors that taught us more about the dynamics of policymaking, it got me wondering, what is my role as a youth? So I think through the various keynote speakers, I felt that they shed light on the role that I play to further my awareness about public policy, not just what's going on in Singapore, but as well as world affairs.
I felt like I was truly immersed in university life, even though we weren't technically in one. But it felt really amazing because I managed to understand every single topic. And even during the more complex topics, the environment was very safe and it was constructive. I could ask questions and I would actually gain a full depth understanding of everything. So that was my main takeaway. It was really amazing experience.
One memorable moment would be when I journey with them throughout the program from day 1 until day 5 and see how they have transformed so much from the day when I asked them of what motivated them to join this program, and then those days when we introduced them to the principles of governance and public policy. And, when they met Rush to do their capstone project, I think, they have really transformed a lot from before and after the programs. I think that really gives me a lot of fulfillment.
What struck me the most was the level of imagination grounded in real-world concerns. The students didn't just present creative ideas, they came up with solutions that are potentially feasible, and there were clear implementation plans as well. It is a testament to what they have learned over the past few days.
We certainly hope that, these participants will continue the journey to apply some of the things that they learn in the classroom and contribute to the societies and communities that they are in, whether in Singapore or their own countries.
I would say start by being open and listening deeply. Sometimes the most impactful leaders are those who understand the hopes and anxieties of the people around them and being on the ground. So change doesn't necessarily start with a very big, grand strategy or big ideas. Sometimes it just starts with a very small, meaningful conversation. And from there, continue to stay curious, continue to find out more, and be collaborative. Leadership is not just about having all the answers at first, it's about leading with heart and being very open to others.